Hello and welcome to the Bernalillo County Government website. Today I will be explaining how you can use OpenGov software. The cloud-based tool Bernalillo County uses to store, sort, and display financial and operating data to search through the tax dollars at work information. This information shows how the tax money collected by Bernalillo County is distributed to tax collecting authorities, as well as the use of Bernalillo County's portion of that money per department and by functional use. This window here below is excellent for at-a-glance information. However, today we're more interested in specific data, so we're going to click on this link here. Once loaded, you can begin to search for that specific data. We will be using views on the left to investigate how tax dollars are spent from a $100,000 residential property tax value home. This first view is distribution, and it shows how the money collected is distributed amongst tax collecting authorities, such as APS and the City of Albuquerque. From here, we can see that Bernalillo County receives $266, just 20.3% of that total money. The second view is distribution per department. So you can see how Bernalillo County allocates that same $266 to its departments. You can scroll down to evaluate this information in the table, but you can also select pieces of the graph. For example, by clicking on Parks and Recreation, I know that $2 of that $266 is spent on Parks and Recreation maintenance. This third view shows distribution per functional value instead of department. Now by selecting on Public Works and then Public Works Operating, I get a pretty weird, unuseful graph. So I'm going to use the Filters tool and change the broken down by field to department. And this shows me much more clearly how it's distributed. For example, I now know that $7 of the $266 goes towards technical services. The rest of the saved views here on the left are the same views, however, calculated from a $250,000 home and a $500,000 home. If you like this graph, you can choose to share it via social media or download it and keep it for yourself. If you would like to search fresh without any of these filters, you can go ahead and hit reset.